Welcome to Tally on Wheels, the best cloud-based audit automation tool available for finance professionals like chartered accountants, tax practitioners, and accountants. In this video, we will show you how to import payment data from Excel to Tally Prime. First, go to Excel Import from Gateway of Tally and then tap on Import Vouchers. Next, tap on Download Template and select Payment Template, which opens a new page from where select Export from above and then tap into Send Now. Next, go to the place where the file have been downloaded and paste your data over the Excel file and save the file. Now copy the path of the Excel file and paste the same into the payment. Import along with the extension name. Now for accessing the data, go to the display and the number of vouchers from where you can see the data that you have imported after selecting the number of period. Thank you for watching this video. Tally on Wheels, making your audit process quick, efficient, and reliable. Contact support@tallyonwheels.com for further assistance.